Hi! This video was created for the purpose of submitting a video of Quiz 1 answers related to the property and variables class. And I'm Seungjun Han. I'm studying electrical engineering and attending Incheon National University. And my student ID is 2018 02873. I have an old ID, so let's take a Quiz 1 for students with old IDs. The Quiz 1 says, using the axioms of probability, prove the following property. So, probability A union B is smaller than or equal probability A plus probability B. So, here we go. Get ready for this fun. Okay, we have to prove the top equation. And that sounds okay and that makes sense. But how does it come from the probability axiom? Let's see. So probability should based on some of probability axioms. So first we need to something disjoint event because I want to use activity rule that is defined for disjoint events. So I can write down event A union event B is equal event A union event B difference A. It makes sense, and we already know that means. As you can see from the picture on the right, A. So event A is the red part, and event B difference event A is the blue part. We can decompose this red part and blue part, and we know that they are disjoint. So we can use the properties of the disjoint event to get the property of the union. So by the activity rule, property A union B is equal property A plus property B difference A. Wow! Let's call this number 1 equation. Okay, then let's combine this with other ways. So I will be looking at event B, and I can write down event B is equal event B difference A union with event A intersection B. As you can see the picture on the right, event B intersection A is the orange part, and event A intersection event B is the blue part. In this figure, okay, then using this fact, we apply the additivity rule for these two disjoint sets. So by the activity rule, probability B is equal probability B difference A plus probability A intersection B. Let's call this equation number 2, and combining 1 and 2 equation, we can easily get result A. Result A is probability A union B is equal probability A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. And if we organize around PA intersection B, the result is PA intersection B is PA plus PB minus PA union B. Let's call this number 3. Okay, then let's combine this with another way. By the non-negative rule, probability A intersection B is greater than or equal 0. Why? Because it is non-negative. Because that is a probability. So we know that, and now using the fact from 2 equations, and you know that number 3 and number 4 right here and here, so we can easily get result from the number 3 and from number 4, that is PA plus PB minus PA A union B is greater than or equal 0. So that naturally means that probability A union B is smaller than or equal probability A plus probability B. Wow! So using the axioms of probability proof case 1 is end. Thank you.